morning. All right, so we got some fun stuff planned for today. So right now, I'm at Lamborghini Broward for Supercar Saturday. Later on, we're going on a little lunch run. I think somewhere in Las Olas, probably. And then tomorrow, it's going to be a fun weekend. Tomorrow, we're going to Exotics on Las Olas. So they've been planning this event for a very long time. And there's going to be all kinds of exotics. Some of the best hypercars that I've seen is going to be out there. Probably a lot of stuff that I haven't seen yet. But right now, that's not important, because what is important is that Warren Henry, the auto group that owns Lamborghini Broward, is launching a new dealership called Bugatti Broward, and they have a full carbon, tinted navy blue Bugatti Chiron. Holy crap, guys, look at this thing. Let me see if we can get a little closer to the carbon fiber. Look at that. And that's through the entire car. Look at this. 1,500 horsepower, 83 miles per hour or something. Holy shit. Look at this red interior. Look at the quilted leather there. Beautiful. All right. And here's something I noticed. This is, I think this is one of Brembo's new designs on this brake caliper here. Notice how a lot of it is hollowed out. So that helps to save a ton of weight on the unsprung mass. Now, I believe this is not a for sale car. I think this is a car that is on loan from Bugatti. As you can see here, it's actually got manufacturer plates on it. So I think they're just borrowing this as a sort of like a press car for the launch of the dealership, Bugatti Broward. So, wow, this thing is amazing. Would have been nice to get here before they put up the stanchions, but you know, when you got a $3 million car, you got to protect it. All right, got myself a little latte from the barista over there. But let's check this out. This is a Lamborghini Urus, and it's in a very, very unique color. It's called Blue Ilios. So here you go. Look at this. In the sun, it just looks really incredible. Oh, it's got a lot of sparkle in it. There you go. If there's two things I like, it's cars with glitter and strippers with glitter. Look at that. This is nice. Over here, here's drag times. This is Brooks's Ford GT. Got a Ferrari F12 in red. Oh, this is my friend PJ's. There you go. Let's see. Lamborghini Diablo VT. I believe this is a Aventador S. Got a classic red Ford GT. What do we got? You got the F-Type Project 7. Oh man, so many nice cars out. All right, walking down the line, we got a, oh shit, Squadra Corsa and a Super Trofeo. Look at that. Both very special. I believe the Squadra Corsa is one of 400. I forgot how many they built of the Super Trofeo. But over here, you got Solus. There you go. Very rare MSO color. I believe one of 12 or something, or one of 5. This is my friend GT3 Robbie on Instagram. This is a McLaren 720S, 720 horsepower. Insane. He actually recently raced a MiG on a drag strip at the Homestead Air Force Base, and he beat the MiG, and he did 209 miles per hour while he was at it. So this is an incredible car. What's up, dog? What's up, puppy? What's up? Ooh, check out this Kooky. This Kooky had a similar setup to my car, but it's painted Laguna Seca blue, for, like the M3 color. Beautiful, beautiful color. Look at that. It was almost a twin to my car because it had the same engine setup, just a different turbo. And check this out. This is something new. This is the 2011 Jeff Gordon number 24 DuPont Chevrolet NASCAR. There you go. Look at this. You got the big V8 up front. You got the tube frame roll cage chassis in the middle. Big carbon fiber wing. Look at this thing. I never thought I'd see a NASCAR. I noticed that the seating position is actually somewhat, like, not exactly central, but it's a little offset. It's not like right in the middle. I guess they do that for additional like crash protection. You know, keep space you away from the side of the door as much as possible. Nice. Look at the size of this radiator. Holy crap. Look at that. That's like you see that plate there? That's the width of the radiator. Just wow, huge. There we go. They actually use AN fittings. I think these are actually like a Dash 30 or something. Look at that. All right, so I'm now next door at Porsche West Broward. So let's see what's in the showroom. Ooh, I see something special here. What is this? You got a GT2 RS. Look at the carbon fiber spoiler, center lock wheels, but it's in this very unique color. And I'm not sure what color this is. This looks really cool. So this isn't like Miami blue or anything. This is almost like a dark Miami blue. I don't know. Let me ask somebody. All right, so I talked to one of the employees here. He said this color is called Ostis Blue. Wow. Check out these cool, like, kind of light gold wheels. Look at that. Really nice. 700 horsepower, currently the king of the ring. I like how they have it stanchioned off, but they have this. I believe this is a GT3 RS. Just hanging out here. Still a $250,000 car. Really nice. There you go. And they have the enthusiast model, the Carrera T, in white. Where they're selling it for $123. Popping on down here to the GT corner. Hello. Porsche 918 Spider. Another GT2 RS in silver. And over here we got a lava orange GT3 RS. We got another silver GT3 RS. Let me see what's the name of this color. I want to make sure I get it right. It's GT Silver Metallic. So, and this color, I think it's Sapphire Blue. Is that correct? Yep, Sapphire Blue Metallic. All right, so on the second floor, there's a window that you can see down into the service bay. So they got some nice stuff. You got a couple cars getting serviced, and check this out. You have a Carrera GT with the V10 out, possibly getting some kind of engine out service. You can see right there the carbon ceramic brakes and their axles, along with the transaxle. Over there, got the V10. I'm not sure what they're getting done. Maybe it's an engine out service. Maybe they're, fixing something on the engine. But either way, it's pretty cool to see that, everything just kind of comes apart and you can service it. Alright guys, so I'm here with Omar. We're in his Maserati Gran Turismo and we're going on the rally. We're going to the Hard Rock for lunch, and let me flip the camera around. Let me show you guys what's going on the rally. Alright, so this is just a small selection, but we got, I think, that Viper. We got this Gallardo over here. We got is that a Performante? Yep, we got the Performante going, C63. We got a Cali up there. There's a lot of nice cars heading out that way. So let's rock and roll. Alright, here we go. GTR there. He must have... Yeah, there we go. All kinds of exotics already here. Tons of parking. All right, we've landed. So we're here at the Hard Rock. Let's see, we got all kinds of exotics. We got GTR. What do we have? What do we have? Vanquish, a blank Vanquish. V12, look at that. We got all kinds of cool shit. So we're gonna have lunch here. You know, they're actually building a hotel, an additional building that's shaped like a guitar. So that's pretty cool. But let me flip the camera around, show you what's here. Here we got Mike rolling in. Hey, who let you in? Aston Martin Vanquish in white. We got an Aventador. Oh man. 570S. AMG GTR. And Green Hill Magno. What else we got? Ferrari FF. Oh, you got your front end lift up, man. What are you doing? What else? What else? You got a Lamborghini Aventador. There you go. Oh, lots of nice stuff here. Audi R8. We got a Huracan. Oh, nice. There you go. Purple Huracan Spider. Oh, okay. We got a 911 RWB. Look at this huge wide body fenders. All right, so let's head inside and let's see what's going on. Ooh, nice lineup right here. Look at this 500 horsepower Shelby Cobra. We got Betty 650S. We got the Scarface SLS AMG. Nice, nice, nice. 675 LT. We got Solus 720S. And the Lamborghini Aventador. Thank you, sir. All right, let's head inside. Check this place out, get some lunch. All right, now that's an entrance. Hey, Devin, how's drive? Bill? Salty Bill. Salty Bill's a little salty. Let's go. How was the drive here, man?
It was good. We came over before everybody else and got situated, so
okay.
I got to see over 100 plus exotics roll into to parking here.
Oh hell yeah! We got stuck in traffic.
Yeah, I heard. I heard there was an accident or something.
There was an SUV. No, it was a minivan that spun out on the southbound, hit the median, flipped over the median. And it was a big cluster, so I'm glad we're here safely.
Well, you made it.
Yeah. So, funny story, someone told me that the bar was a cash bar, so I was like, okay, so I walk up and order a mojito, and then once the guy's done making the mojito, he goes, $14. I'm like, oh, damn it. So I pull out a 20 and give it to him. Oh, man.
Got a little toast to me.
Oh, this is awesome. All right, what do we have here? We got a nice Sapporo beer. Looks crisp, looks tasty.
Yeah.
So this gentleman is making a blackberry tequila drink. And it is the only cocktail that is included. Oh man, that looks good.
tequila, pineapple, ginger, lime, and ah.
Ginger and lime. Oh my gosh, today has been just so much fun. So we started at the car show, now we're here at the Hard Rock, and just got free drinks, samplers just being passed around, and we're just chilling here with the homies. Okay, so the event is over, and I finally sobered up a little, but some of my friends have gone off and they're gambling a little bit, so I'm gonna go catch up with them and see what's going on there. What's up, Devin? So what'd you win?
I won absolutely nothing. I'm the worst gambler ever.
Wow, you are a terrible gambler.
I'm terrible at gambling. The only thing that I do win at gambling on,
Trying to be annoying.
I was trying to think of a witty response for that, but I don't have one. I'm terrible at gambling. That's it.
Okay, I dig it. Okay, okay. All right, Mike, what'd you win?
Friendship.
That's something terrible to win.
That is the most valuable thing of all.
Yeah, you know what? That is the most valuable thing you win. All right, so me and Devin have decided not to participate in any gambling because we are both professional blackjack losers.
Yes.
And we're not going to gamble. Is that right?
Yeah, not worth it.
No.
I think I statistically lower the odds of everybody in this casino by physically being here. I apologize, but I'm not stupid enough to hazard the risk.
Oh yeah.
I know I'm
you
bad
should
at gambling.
stay as far away from the other players as possible.
Yeah.
All right, guys, back at the parking garage. That's it for today. So I'm going to be heading home, get some, hang out, get some rest, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow for Exotics on Las Olas. So that's going to be a huge car show. You won't want to miss that. A lot of nice cars are showing up. So catch you guys later. Bye.